Hello everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we are back again and we're ready for an amazing video. Thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, we welcome you. Happy to have those of you who've been with us come back each and every time. We're just happy to have everybody here. So thank you for joining us. Well, as you know, we like to jump right in. We have a 12 by 24 inch canvas and excuse me, we're going to do a Dutch pour. That's right. We have gone ahead and taken and taped the back, and we're going to be laying down a gray base coat, which is this beautiful gray right here. And that gray is a composition of the Loft Flow Acrylic Black and the Blickrylic Titanium White. That's how we got our gray. So let's go ahead and get that going. We're going to lay that out and blow it out with the blow dryer today. Then we will announce the layering colors for this design. We're going to see what we can do to make for some happiness here. All right. Taking the blow dryer. Got that going, and we're just going to check on our sides and our edges to make sure we have complete coverage, no canvas showing. Just touching where we have need of putting paint to make sure every part of the canvas is completely covered. Okay. We're looking pretty good here. And let's just go back around. Checking everything out. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and take my gloves off now. Use the torch to pop air bubbles. want to provide our paints, our layering colors with a flawless base as much as possible. So that's why we want to pop air bubbles and look for any uninvited guests that might interfere with the outcome of our design. I love this beautiful smoke gray, and we're going to make sure that it has every opportunity to bring out the best in our colors by giving it a flawless foundation to begin with. So here we go with introducing our colors. We have the Artist Loft Brilliant Blue, Artist Loft Metallic Blue, Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, Liquitex Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue, Liquitex Basics Hooker Green, and Liquitex Basics Titanium White. Those will be our layering colors, and as always, we mix all our colors with 2 parts of Floetrol, 1 part paint. We mix that together, add water as needed to get the desired consistency. So let's see what we want to do here. We have, we want to come in and do a design somewhere in the center, leaving negative space on both top and bottom. So I'm going to start with this Brilliant Blue and begin here along this edge, as in going here, 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 with a little breakout there, a breakout here. Okay, yeah, we might just do a little breakout there and one there as well. So that's where our paint design will be taking us. We'll put on top this metallic blue. And our permanent blue violet. Right on top of that. You know I love, love, love this color. It's amazing. I could use it in every painting, but I don't. Then we have this cadmium medium hue. So, so pretty. Stands out really nice and bold over that gray. I'm going to switch up and put the titanium white in at this point. Give that a nice squeeze. Then I'll come back and do the hooker green. I love hooker green. It does the hook up really well. Love, love, love this color as well. And of course I will wrap back around with my permanent blue violet. Lots of rich color. And we'll move all our little friends aside. And torch. Popping air bubbles in the layering colors and anywhere we see them at this point. And let's see if we can get a nice design from this. How about we start here and we'll just kind of move from there. See where it takes us. that. Is that ever amazing? Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Love, love, love this color combination. It is stunning. Whew. I am amazed. We have a few air bubbles, so I'm going to pop those. Unbelievably pretty. Let's give this a light torch all the way around. Gorgeous. I am loving this. So pretty. The colors are rich and vibrant, and they have really mingled well with each other, making for a beautiful composition. Nice and soft. Not a lot of cells. In fact, I'm not really seeing cells. Not sure if it's the combination. There's a few here maybe. Just a hint of cells here. That not really overly inundated with cells. But definitely a beautiful composition. I like it a lot. And we are wiping the edges here to bring this to rest as quick as we can. We want to keep this composition intact. As long as the paint is moving off the canvas, our design will move. And yes, it will move some, but we can help to bring it to rest by taking an art tool, a popsicle stick, or anything like that, and wiping underneath to help bring those strips to a rest. Wow, so amazingly pretty. Yes, indeed. Wow. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. And you can see all of this richness for yourself. Here we come for a close-up. All right, guys, here we have it. Our close-up of this 12 by 24 inch canvas, and boy, can you see how rich and beautiful and vibrant those colors are. Absolutely beautiful. Love the hooker green, the permanent blue violet, that cadmium deep yellow hue. So pretty. All of these colors have come together to make for an amazing composition. I love how they blended well together. They actually complement one another so nicely. You can see the whole design there. Like I said, not a lot of cells, but you can see there's some fading of the colors here. Just a little bit of a blend out toward the end and tips, but a lot of richness on the inside. So pretty. Well, I like it, and I hope you do too. And if you do, just let us know what you think. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't done so. We definitely welcome you to join us. We really enjoy what we're doing, and we'd love to have you be a part of it. So like and subscribe, and that way you can be informed each and every time of each video upload that we do. We try to do one at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, but you want to be informed each and every time. We also want you to know it's free, so you don't have to pay for a subscription. Just push the subscribe button and you'll be okay. All right, here you have it. 12 by 24 inch canvas. Hope you like it. Let us know what you think. Until next time, this is Anita White. Keep loving your art, and we'll see you on our very next video upload. Bye now.